Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I am Rakib Hossen. My student ID 23MKT010. Today I am going to discuss about a concise overview of Introduction to Communication, covering the definition, nature, scope and principles. First of all, business communication. Business communication refers to the exchange of information, idea and message between individuals or group within an organization or between organizations with the goal of achieving business objectives. This communication can take place through various channels including verbal, written and non-verbal methods. Nature of communication. Number 1. Two-way process involves both sending and receiving. Number 2. Continuous process. It occurs constantly and is an ongoing activity. Number 3. Dynamic and ever-changing. Influenced by context, environment and relationship. Number 4. Can be intentional or unintentional. Even silence or body language can communication. Scope of communication. Communication spans across different areas and disciplines. Number 1. Interpersonal communication between or more people. Number 2. Group communication within a small group or teams. Number 3. Mass communication, a large audience through media like TV, newspaper, etc. Number 4. Organizational communication within and between organization. Number 5. Intercultural communication between people from different cultural background. Principle of business communication. Clarity. The message should be clear and easily understood. The communication should avoid complex words and make the message simple. Number 2. Consciousness. The communication should be brief and to the point without unnecessary details or repetition. Number 3. Concreteness. The message should be specific and supported by the ambiguous statement should be avoided. Correctness. Proper grammar, spelling, punctuation and sentence structure are important for the ensure the message is accurate and professional. Consideration. The communication should consider the received perspective, emotion and background. Number 6. Completeness. The communication should include all the necessary information the receiver needs to understand or act on the message. The message should be respectful, considerate, avoid negative language and ensure the tone is appropriate for the audience. Thank you all.